If you want to lose 25 pounds relatively quickly, let's go over a simple plan you can follow. First off, you have to be in a calorie deficit. So let's say you're 175 pounds and you'd like to weigh 150. Multiply your body weight by 10 to be in a calorie deficit. So you're going to take 175, multiply that by 10. You're going to eat 1,750 calories day one. But day two, I'd like you to be a little bit more aggressive. Let's use your goal weight. So take 150, multiply that by 10. That gives you 1,500 calories. So day one, 1,750 calories. Day two, 1,500 calories. You can use MyFitnessPal, that app. It's a free app to track your calories. The next thing you're going to do is make sure you're eating an adequate amount of protein. See, when you eat protein, it's incredibly satisfying. You're not going to be that hungry after like a high protein meal. I'd like you to multiply your body weight by 0.7 to determine how much protein you should eat. So take 175, multiply that by 0.7. That's about 120, 125 grams of protein. But when you're only using your goal weight, that 1,500 calories, multiply 150 by 0.7, that's 105 grams of protein. So you got that? Day one, 1,750 calories, 120, 125 grams of protein. Day two, 1,500 calories, 105 grams of protein. Now the next thing I want you to do is make sure you're eating enough fiber in your diet. Shoot for about 35 grams of fiber. See, when you're eating fiber, it's going to guarantee me that you're eating healthy. You're going to have to eat vegetables, you're going to have to eat fruits, and then you're going to eat that adequate amount of protein, and you don't want to go over your calories, so you're not going to be able to eat junk and garbage food. The fourth thing I like you to do is to practice a form of time-restricted eating. Time-restricted eating means that you're going to give yourself a smaller eating window. I would go with the 16-8. That means you're going to fast 16 hours every day, and then within an 8-hour eating window, you're going to take in all your calories. And I like you to do that with only 2 meals, that's called 2MAD, plus a protein bar or a protein shake, just to make sure you're taking in an adequate amount of protein. Now, you got a couple of options on when you should do your 16-hour fast. If you can, all the research is indicating now that early time-restricted eating, when you take in your calories earlier in the day, is probably better for controlling hunger, better for maintaining muscle mass, overall probably better. So if you can, for example, have a protein shake 10 o'clock, maybe have your first meal around 1, 2, and have dinner before 6, 7 o'clock, that's ideal. But you can also skip breakfast and just make sure you're done with dinner at a reasonable hour. Do this. You're going to quickly lose 25 pounds.